Before I start this video, I'd like to make an announcement. Only 3.7% of you are subscribed, so that means 96.3% of you guys are not subscribed. So subscribe so that we can lower the amount of people who are not subscribed. I make epic content so you won't regret it. Anyways, enjoyed the video.
Alright class, today we are going to do some math.
Miss Martin, can I use the bathroom? I promise I won't take long.
No classic Caillou, you can't use the bathroom. I will not fall for your tricks again. You are going to stay whether you like it or not.
But Miss Martin, I really have to go. I think I might pee myself at any moment. Please, I will not take long. I promise.
Fine, be quick.
Yay. Thank you, Miss Martin. Time to use the bathroom. Miss Martin, I think Classic Caillou is going to do something suspicious. Is it okay if I follow him? I will not let him do bad stuff.
Sure Caillou. You can follow him.
Now it is time to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. Now it is time to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. Not so fast, Classic Caillou. Oh no. It's Caillou. You saw me pull the fire alarm. Please don't tell anyone. If you do then I'm screwed. Please don't do it. No 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 no. Too bad, Caillou. I will report you to the principal right now.
That is enough. Caillou. I have heard everything. Thank you for your cooperation. Classic Caillou, I need you to go to my office. Now. Or else I will call your parents.
No 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 no.
Caillou. Thank you so much for stopping Classic Caillou from pulling the fire alarm. You will be promoted to school president. I will tell your dad about your amazing work.
Classic Caillou, you are grounded for 621,552 years for attempting to pull the fire alarm. Now go to your room. Caillou, thank you so much for stopping Classic Caillou from pulling the fire alarm. That's it. You are ungrounded for 33 million years.
Chuck E. Cheese is here I come. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe for more videos.